Imagine a world where even the remotest corners of the planet have high-speed internet. No barriers, no limits, just seamless connectivity. And now, Nepal, a nation nestled in the majestic Himalayas, is about to experience this revolutionary change. The driving force? None other than Elon Musk and his groundbreaking Starlink project. Is he coming to Nepal? What does this mean for the country? Let's find out. Starlink, a project by Elon Musk's SpaceX, aims to provide high-speed internet anywhere on Earth through a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites. Unlike traditional internet providers that rely on ground infrastructure, Starlink beams the internet directly from space. With over 4,000 satellites already in orbit, it's redefining global connectivity. But why Nepal? Despite its breathtaking beauty, Nepal's rugged terrain makes it challenging to build reliable internet infrastructure. In rural areas, connectivity is often slow and unreliable. Starlink could bridge this gap, empowering students, businesses, and communities across the nation. Elon Musk's vision is simple: connect the unconnected. Nepal is now part of his grand plan. Recently, Starlink began offering pre-orders in Nepal, and the response has been overwhelming. But this raises questions. Will Elon Musk himself visit Nepal to oversee this monumental rollout? While there's no official confirmation, his interest in emerging markets suggests it's not entirely off the table. The arrival of Starlink could be a game-changer for Nepal's economy. Businesses in remote areas can thrive with better connectivity. Tourism, one of Nepal's major industries, can also benefit immensely. Imagine trekkers live streaming their Everest base camp journeys, or local artisans selling crafts online to a global audience. While the prospects are exciting, Starlink isn't without its challenges. The cost of Starlink equipment, around $590 for the hardware and $110 per month, may be steep for many Nepalese households. Additionally, experts are concerned about the environmental impact of launching thousands of satellites. Despite these challenges, Starlink could revolutionize life in Nepal. From improving education in remote areas to enabling telemedicine, the possibilities are endless. Whether or not Elon Musk visits Nepal, his vision for Starlink is already creating ripples of change in this Himalayan nation. In the end, Starlink's arrival in Nepal isn't just about internet, it's about empowering a nation. Elon Musk's mission to connect the world could transform Nepal, making its people and culture even more accessible to the globe. So, while we wait to see if Elon Musk himself steps foot in Nepal, one thing is clear: the future is here.